Hello, welcome back to my video. Today I will be working on a simple scratch game because do you see this right now? Yeah, that's Griff patching. That is so complex I will never understand it. And so basically I had an idea. I can make a hacker game and stuff, but I chose a clicker game. And I'm gonna make a simple tutorial, not like Griff patches very long tutorials. Starting now. So create a new project. And once you're loaded in, that takes a while, you can start by naming it. So I can name mine that. Obviously, Scratch Cat doesn't look that good, so I'm gonna make a cursor, like the thing on the screen. Alright, that looks pretty good. And if you're wondering why it's red, you will see it works for the RGB because this is an RGB clicker. Now, you can center that above to put it point. Alright, I made a cursor. Remember, you guys do not have to copy me. You can design it whatever way you want. Just pause the video and design it. I think that looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. Yeah, that seems nice. I like it. Yeah, just rotate it a bit. Rotate it just like that. Alright. Now you can go to increase the size. Oh, my bad. Then go to code. When green flag clicked. Costumes. Oh yeah, let me do this really quick. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now add the go to X show, just in case. But basically why I'm doing this is if someone, like let's say someone drags this, they see inside and they drag the mouse thing to the side. If I take that off and they try to click the green flag, it won't reset. But if we have this here, it'll reset. Just like that for if you're a beginner. Now create a variable called clicks. Design a background. It looks better this way. Oh yeah, I like to add like effects. So name this click. And then add an if else. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add a if touching mouse pointer. Set size to 110. Then set size to 100. And people love animations and stuff and effects, and that makes your game go more popular. So now it has that cool effect when your mouse hovers over the mouse. Alright, I like large layout. It looks better, but it's really up to your preferences. Now we need something more like a shop, but first, one second. This is an RGB clicker. So what we want is we want it to change color effects. That's what I need first. And also, I like to add like the little, like you can click between those four and select what you want, those four. And then all four of those. I like that one. That's like my favorite. But it's really up to you. Then you can add effects. Yeah, I want to add effects before making like a shop. Right, make it white. That looks good. Alright. And now you can name it effects. When green flag clicked, hide. Hide. I will explain later in the video some things. Now I will explain later in the video of why you need to create a clone and everything. So show to go in front layer so all the effects are at front when you click it. Now add a go to random position. Alright. That seems good. So if we create a clone of myself, you see how all those appear on the screen now. Now to glide 1 second to X. The bottom for beginners, so it does that, and then duplicate, just delete everything. Repeat 50 times. Set ghost effect to 0. No, don't put it in there, that was my bad. Change ghost effect by 2. And guys, I changed the spray, but before you change the spray, add a delete cologne under the repeat 50. I'll come back and do that myself later. Alright. So now it should fade out when you create a clone. That's the point. And works. Yeah, add the delete this clone. Now it does that, like a cool effect. Now it's time for what you guys have probably been waiting for, a shop. So first we're gonna make the shop button. Make it red so it goes well with the RGB theme. I like pixel text. Yeah. Okay, shop is good. Size that down, drag that wherever. When green flag clicked. Alright. And now I like to add that fade thing again. Except this time I'm gonna make it go down. because that looks more different, unique. Now it's gonna broadcast open shop. And basically what broadcasts do is it's the way to get across sprites. So if I could explain, it's like as I'm making this, it's like for beginners, let's say I click this button, it broadcasts show this. I go in another sprite and it shows the other sprite. So that's what broadcast basically do. Also, like the shot frame down, you can just follow what I'm doing right now. Make sure there's a hide right there and a good front layer. Oh, remember I added the RGB thing because it looks better. Oh, and make sure this goes down backwards 2 layers. Yeah. Actually, yeah. Now, what you're gonna do is what I okay. Follow me if you want the more circular corners and do what I do. Yeah, this is my trick. You can add 2 things and make curved edges like that. Then add some text like $50, I'm thinking. 50 bucks? Oh yeah, my bad. Sorry, I'm thinking in the future. I mean X. So no, I'm just thinking of prices. How about 50 bucks? As I makes this X, you can add an X from the keyboard. I'm thinking of prices. Do I make it 50 bucks or 100? I'm like trying to think. Okay, I choose 50 bucks for the click thing, and you'll find out later what I'm talking about. Okay, so when Goodluck click show the X button, and when I receive open shop show. Oh yeah, not when Goodluck click show. Sorry, I misread this. When Goodluck click hide, when open shop show. And basically what that does is the X button hides. Oh yeah, make a close shop broadcast, and the X button hides on green flag, but when you open the shop, it shows. So you're actually able to close it. And when this sprite is clicked, broadcast close shop. Wait, no. Add the, just in case for bugs, just do when I receive close shop hide. And then you can also drag it in there in the frame. Now you can close the shop and open it. So that's pretty cool. Neat. Now, what I was talking about earlier, the prices. So we need to start by making another item, but as you can see, I'm just cleaning up the blocks right now. Now it's time. Name it something like clicks button or something. Yeah, I like that. Just like make it that gray color. Like, no, the gray for that one. Makes that 10 or 20 or whatever. Yeah, that's good. Now, instead of doing the 4 corners, I actually want it to be a square. now $50. Yeah. One click. I'm just feeling kind of tired today, guys. Now, just when I receive close shop, hide. Now that works. Also want the increased size effect on the shop button. Maybe in the close button too, actually. Oh yeah, see how it's kind of off-centered? Make sure that's in the middle. And then rechange your X and Y positions. Sometimes that's an issue. Okay. That is good. Now if you click shop, everything seems to work. I also want that on the close button now, so now it should work. Clean up blocks. Yeah, I like that. That looks better. Now add a, when this sprite is clicked, if statement greater than if coins is greater than 49. So if it's 50 and above and not coined clicks. Yeah, so if it's 4, so set that to 49, 50 and above. Then what it's gonna do is it's gonna change. Actually, oh, yeah. It's going to change coins by -50 since you used it. And then make a new variable called like something like that looks pretty cool. Amount click. Alright. Works. And instead added amount clicks there. So basically the default is 1. It sets amount clicks to 1. So it's basically the same thing as change clicks by 1. Because amount clicks is equal to 1. And then see right there in the corner, amount clicks is equal to 1. And it will still change by 1. But the thing is we can increase that change amount clicks by 1 in the shop. And so I'm testing it. We can buy it now. Now it'll give us multiple. I like that. That looks pretty good. Name it Anim. Okay, drag Anim. And you can make it whatever you want. You can make it get bigger and smaller, move back and forth, up and down, glide up a bit and down. I'm gonna do like rotate, so you guys can skip ahead, pause, or watch me do this. Whatever you guys want. I think this looks pretty good. See how it does that little animation? I'm gonna make it a bit faster. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now, if you can't afford it, it will do that. See how it turns sometimes? Add a way in direction ID. That should fix the issue. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I like that. Now, I want to make another one below it because why not? So, I'm just gonna make this the way I want it to. So, I'm gonna speed this clip. Alright, now that I've done doing that, I'm just testing. Works, open shop, animation. Everything looks good. That looks good. Now I'm gonna make auto click. So clicks per second. So I like that. +1 clicks. I'm gonna add text that says auto. Remember guys, you do not have to copy me. This is your game, not mine. I'm just here to show you. Now just change that to your price thing. Now create a new variable. Actually, yeah. Let me take this out. I just cleaning up. Now have any code for let me position this. Alright. Now we just need code that changes the amount of coins. So wait 1 second. Change coins or clicks by amount. Auto click amount. Which every second you get 0 coins, but if you buy one, it increases by 1. So let's say you buy it 5 times. Every second you get 5 coins. So now I'll test the game for y'all. Change clicks by that, and then if I click auto click, it goes every second. And it works. You can do whatever you want with it. You can also you could try What is happening? Oh, my bad. Go back to. Oh, I accidentally deleted that. My bad. My bad. Go back to this. Oh, that's not supposed to be. Wait. Oh yeah, that's supposed to be auto click about. My bad. You can name the sprites whatever you want. Now it should be set to 0 by default and work. Okay. Looks good. Text work, you can play. You can duplicate those. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for playing. I'm gonna mess around with this a little bit. You guys can mess around with it a little bit. Thank you so much for trying and watching me play and doing the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, but only if you enjoyed the video. And bye, guys.